Hey traders, welcome to the weekend. It is your trade review brought to you by Real Life Trading. My name is Jeremy Alexander Newsom. My mission is to enrich lives with mentally liberating education. Let's talk Shopify, which was a very nice day trade today that a lot of traders took, and we're just going to walk everyone through our thoughts and perspective on this one. So first of all, shout outs to Anna and Hoxian and a few other traders who got a chance to play Shopify. What we have here on this one is a very nice gap. I was actually bearish on Shopify. I did have some puts on it that I got into when it gapped down and retested. So up here, got into those puts, and I was hoping that we would roll over today, and we simply didn't. So this morning, when we were gapping up, I had to play defense because obviously you can see it's a bearish candle gapping up above the high of yesterday. So that means that all of those traders who were in bearish, aka me, were trapped and they had to exit to buy their position out. Now, the thing is on Shopify, you also got to consider fundamentally, right? A lot of people are staying home, and therefore that means that people could be creating new companies, new businesses, new ideas, new websites, and therefore they could be using Shopify for their checkout progress. Well, that's kind of what I was taking away with. That was my main thought. So this gap up today was one that a lot of us focused and traded bullishly today. And here's kind of how we did it. So here's a 3-minute chart, and the very first 3-minute candle, this is kind of what it looks like right here. Huge, huge gap, massive candle, really, really good volume. And you can't buy into that candle, right? It's just too big of a candle, so you got to say to yourself, okay, expecting a little bit of a retrace to come in. So next 3-minute candle, and then really, really good pullback. So once this pullback comes, you got to be thinking to yourself, okay, this is a nice pullback. This is a nice retracement. Let's see if we get a setup. Another little candle, another candle. Now you have an inside candle, so you have a little pennant pattern forming here on Shopify. Nice pennant pattern. You can see the good volume come in, right? Really, really good volume on this candle. These two candles have almost the exact same high. And once this candle came in right here, that's when I simply said, all right, guys, if we take out these highs right here, stop down here, that'll pretty much be the trade. And as we continue trading sideways, okay, so you can see another little bit of a bullish candle. This bearish candle came in, that was really nice. This little candle came in, that was really nice. And then this one came in, and that's when I said, okay, great. Remember, it is a bullish gap and go, so you're allowed to be a little bit more aggressive on those. Therefore, I then took the entry and put it here. So I lowered the entry from 353.82 to 352.02 and left the stop the exact same on Shopify. Next candle came in, so I left it open. Look at the volume. Really, really nice decline in volume, and then boom. Got triggered in right there. So here's what the moving averages look like. Moving averages, you can see pressing higher. You're making higher lows, nice lower shadows, bouncing off of the 20. This is still the 3-minute chart. So if you pop over here to the 5-minute chart, you're bouncing off the 10, making higher lows. Looks really, really toasty. So next candle, good volume increase, good candle, and then boom, really, really strong move, and then bingo bongo, you're out of the trade for a solid, solid win. That's pretty much how we played Shopify. And that's it. That's your trade review. Really good gap, really nice move, just a really clean, easy play. And the reason that I was focusing on Shopify was also because it was gapping or taking out the high of yesterday, number one. Number two, it was a bullish gap and go, right? Most of the market was retest gaps, yesterday being a white candle gapping up. Shopify was a black candle gapping up. Number three, there was a fundamental reason that it could have been working out, aka people staying home and using Shopify more to create businesses and create e-commerce companies. And number four, I was in a trade already bearish and got stopped out. The place I got stopped out was when I got into the trade bullish. So that's when I got out of my puts on Shopify. Now, I will be watching this one next week for a little bit of a consolidation and a breakdown just in case. We will see if that plays out that way or not. You do have the 10 EMA coming down as a resistance, and you have the 200 acting as a resistance. Shopify, historically a very, very strong company and chart, but we'll see if it breaks down. And if it doesn't break down, starts breaking higher, could be one that we could trade back up into 420. All right, folks, that's about it for me. I'm going to go hop into Finance Friday and knock that hour out for all of those subscribers. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being a part of Real Life Trading. Thank you for being a subscriber. I hope this video was helpful. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you all later.